Hello, my dear crafters. So I just wanted to quickly share with you some of the things that I've bought for my Easter 2024 series. Most of these items are from the Dollar Tree, and my goodness, it's hard to choose. They have beautiful things, and just in terms of eggs, it's hard to choose. They have so many options this year. Some of them are for decoration, like this one. This is actually my favorite. Look how beautiful they are. They're made with sequins. I'm just going to open them because you need to see this. I mean, look how gorgeous they are. Oh, I just broke one, but that's fine. Look at this. So it's all covered with sequins, so beautiful for decoration. I still don't know what to do with most of these, but you know how that's how my mind works. I buy it and then I create. But I love these, and I love the colors that they come in, and you know, $1.25 for all this. It's fantastic. So that's one of the eggs. You have these little ones I've already used. That's why I opened it. So I've already created something that I use these just as a decoration. This is not, you can't really open them or anything, but I just love the colors, the pastel colors. So I got some of those. This one is decoration also. Let me show you what they look like. They're like this. So you can fill it up with stuff if you want. If you don't, you can just leave it as is because they can actually open. So it depends on what you want to do with it. Some people use it as decoration, and some open it and fill it up with stuff. So I'm still not sure how I'm going to use mine, but you will be seeing on my series for sure. But that's how they come, and then you get this that you can use to wrap it back up after you fill it up, or you can just leave it as is like this and just use it as decoration. So I bought 2 of those. This one I really like too. I think you have to always open it. It's not one of those that has... Sorry about all this noise. Let me see if I have any scissors here now. Well, so this one, basically, you can open it and fill it up with goodies and of course maybe some M&Ms and some chocolate, some Hershey Kisses, and then you just close them up again. Again, I love the colors. And great for kids, so I will be creating something. You know, I usually try to do some kind of activity for kids. I have something that's just food and chocolate and all of the goodies. So this is another one like that actually opens, so it's a little bit smaller. I can even put it inside the big one, so I don't know. I just like to have options of little eggs that you can fill up with goodies and chocolate and Hershey Kisses, or just some little gift that you want to give them. So that's just the eggs. In terms of, I have another egg here. This is actually for decoration. It's called Egg Container. So this, you can open it up, and so you have different colors there. I saw that they had blue, they had pink, I think they had yellow. So you open this up. Let me open. I have to show you. It's really nice. You fill it up again with whatever you want. I love this one because of the size. It's really, really nice. And now it's all stuck on my finger. And the one thing I like about it too is that you can see what's inside, so you can really make something beautiful, and you have the container for that. So that's something I will be creating. The other thing that I got, and this is for decoration, I got these little tiny bunnies here. I love them. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them. Sometimes just break them apart and I don't use this. I don't know. But you will see. The other one that I got for decoration is this little, and I forgot the name of this. Seriously, I am going to eat some. I forgot the name. Oh, my goodness. Anyway, so some other decoration. They have so many options that carrots. That's what it is. So carrots, so many options. So this is basically for the kits that I create, and I always have some kind of gift, some kind of food, but it's always nice to have some decoration items. So that's that. In terms of stickers, I've already used a lot from this one, as you can see. This one I bought at Hobby Lobby. These two I bought at Hobby Lobby. These are very, very tiny ones. They're actually, I think, no, they're not. I thought these were for nails, but no, it's just to decorate your eggs. So I will be using those probably on these eggs here. And maybe the bigger ones as well. But these are stickers, and I just love that they're so tiny. Look how tiny they are. They're almost like for nails. So I'll be using that. This one I've already been using, so as you can see. But they're both from Hobby Lobby. Ephemeras, I have some from last year. Some are spring. So these are both from Echo Park. One's called My Favorite Spring, and the other one is I Love Spring. So I have some of those. I love the colors, so I'll be using that. And I'll be using these two that are specifically for, actually 3, for Easter. 2, I have 2 of the same here. And one is, yeah, I Love Easter, it's called. So I bought 2 of those because I really love it. So one is I Love Easter, and the other one is Welcome Easter. So you can see here on the back, both are ephemeras here. So you have a lot of ephemera, and these one are more like tags and frames. So that's what I'll be using for decoration. I'll put that aside. This is something very nice that I bought this year. And the way that I'm going to use it is, I have, I think, one that I already tried it, and I can't find it. Where is it? But I already put some chocolate inside. This is really cute, and you can decorate with these mini stickers here. Will be very nice for that, and you can decorate with a ribbon, but just fill it up with what I used was these mini M&Ms. They are perfect for that. The M&Ms, they fit, but sometimes they get stuck because they're not very regular. So if you use the mini, it's perfect like this. And I also bought this one that I'm going to see if it fits. This is from the Dollar Tree. They're not M&Ms, but they're kind of M&Ms wannabe. But these are very nice, and you can make it individual in the color that you want. Use some ribbon. So I bought a whole bunch of these, and I will have the link below so you can find it online. It's from Amazon. Lots and lots and lots of chocolate of all kinds. So we have these mini M&Ms that I'll use for that. I have this chocolate here in the shape of carrots. My favorite, of course, we have some egg chocolate, which will be used a lot. Some M&Ms. I have some Reese's Pieces. And of course, guys, when you use something like this, I can't believe I can't find it. I put it here so I wouldn't forget, and then can't find it. So when you use something like this with food inside for kids, or for anyone really, but remember to wash them, okay? You don't want to just open it up and fill it up with food and give it to them. I always wash mine. So some kisses, some M&Ms. I have some tags here. I love these Easter tags. These are from the Dollar Tree. Let me show you what they look like. I just thought they were so cute. Look at that, they're made with wood. Aren't they cute? I love it that it comes with these little eggs. So there you are. I am going to be using those. I also I usually make sure that I have something with wood like this, that I'll probably paint this one with acrylic and then use paper here at the base. I don't know what I'll do with it yet, but you can always fill it up. And one of the things that I'm going to use is these little notebooks, and put the notebooks here, maybe have some food, some, gifts. And that's the beauty of Easter. You can just really use whatever you have. I have these are bags that I bought at the Dollar Tree. They're perfect for Easter. I actually bought them for Valentine's, but I didn't use them. It happens. So you use it for this for sure. So yeah, just stay tuned and I'll come up with something like this. And always remember, guys, to go to my playlists, because you always have projects from the previous years, and they'll all be new to you anyway. And the last thing I want to show you are these. So these are from the Dollar Tree as well. Wonderful. Maybe that's when, maybe that's when I'll use these little bunnies here. There you go. Let me see. I'll just cut, because this is too tall, maybe cut it in half and use it here, coming out like that, and maybe wrap it up with the plastic, put a beautiful bow and fill it up with goodies. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just buy, and then I come up with the ideas. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Get ready. Oh, I found it. Here it is. Here it is, see? With the minis, it's perfect. These are the mini M&Ms. So there you are. This is what I have for today, just showing you a few of the things that I bought, and you will see next week what I've been working on apart from this. So what I'm creating in terms of decoration and projects for Easter. I'll give you an overview of what I'm preparing, and especially like the dyes that I'm using. So that's my next video. And yeah, and then after that it's Easter, because Easter is so early this year. So we're going to be having the series throughout the whole month of May. Oh, sorry, the whole month of March. So yeah, so just stay here, subscribe if you're not, so you can hit that bell too, so that you're notified when I have new videos. And that's that for today, guys. Have a great day.